Hi guys, today we talk about Motorola Edge X50 Ultra. It's launched on May 2024. The dimensions of Motorola Edge 50X Ultra: height 6.34 inches, width 2.85 inches, thickness 8.6 mm. The weight is 197 grams. And the build: front glass, wooden back, silicone, eco leather back, and aluminium frame. The display of Motorola Edge X50 Ultra: it comes with POLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.7 inch with 92.9% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the refresh rate is 144 Hz. And it comes with 2500 nits peak of brightness. The Motorola Edge X50 Ultra comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 50 protection. The platform: it comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 with octa-core Cortex-X4 CPU and the GPU is 735. The memory of Motorola Edge X50 Ultra: it comes with 12 and 16 gigs of RAM, 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. The camera of Motorola X50 Ultra: it comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 MP wide, 50 MP ultra wide and 64 MP periscope telephoto and 3x optical zoom. It records 4K 60fps video with main cameras. The selfie camera is 50 MP and it records 4K 30fps video record with selfie camera. The battery backup: it has 4500 mAh battery with 125 watt wide fast charging. And it supports 50 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. The commons and the features: it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0, infrared port and IP68 dust water resistant. The Motorola Edge X50 Ultra price is $699.